Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'll be showing you how to make an easy pork loin. It's very tasty and juicy, guys. Let's get started. For seasoning, I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, black pepper, thyme powder, salt, and I'm using honey and soy sauce. First, I'm going to mix all the seasonings together with soy sauce. Next, honey. I add a little bit cayenne pepper. Now, let's season our pork. I'm going to flip it over to season the other side. I'm using a Pyrex to cook my pork loin. I add a little bit olive oil, and next I add my pork. Next, I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and then put it in the oven for 50 minutes. Now I'm cutting tomatoes and onion. After 50 minutes, I'm going to slide the meat and add tomato and onion to enhance the flavor of the meat and make it look nice. Now I'm adding a remaining seasoning that I used before, and then I will put it in the oven for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our pork loin are ready to eat, guys. It's very tasty, and at the same time it's look amazing. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.